In this video, we'll show you why your incoming calls might be going straight to voicemail on your Android phone. So the obvious reason why this might happen is if you have accidentally enabled the do not disturb mode. So open the quick settings panel and make sure this option is not enabled. If it is, simply turn it off from here. Next, what you need to do is go to the phone app. Now open its settings menu, and here you will need to tap on this block numbers option. Here make sure you haven't enabled this option, that is block calls from unknown numbers, otherwise your phone will automatically divert calls from any unsaved contacts directly to voicemail. So make sure to turn this off. Next, go to block spam and scam calls. Now by default it will be set to block all spam and scam calls, but this feature can sometimes block calls from a genuine person or entity. So if you don't want that to happen, select this only block high risk scam calls. Now go back to the previous menu. Now go through this list and make sure your important contacts are not added to this list by mistake. If you see any contact like that, simply tap on this minus icon next to it to remove it from the list. Next, go back to the call settings menu. Scroll down and then tap on supplementary services. Here you need to go to this call forwarding menu. Go to voice calls. Now here go to always forward and make sure you haven't set any number here. If you have, simply erase it from here and then repeat the same process for each of these entries as well. Finally, if nothing else works, go to the settings menu, scroll all the way down and then tap on general management. Now here tap on reset and then tap on reset mobile network settings. Finally, select reset settings to confirm and then restart your Android phone. Once you do this, your Android phone will no longer divert calls directly to voicemail.